Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Bloom Outdoors. So, if you are like me and live where I do, then we have this thing called snow. And it makes it cold outside. And when it's cold outside, then that means your vehicle gets cold, it gets snow all over it. And that really sucks, especially when you have to park outside like I do all the time. So I went online and I ended up buying this, which this is a remote start for my truck. Stock from the factory. It does not have remote start. On the key fob, it only has unlock, lock, and the alarm button. It does not have a remote start. So I went on Amazon and I bought one. It was like $100 or something. I'll put the link for it in the description. But anyways, I am going to be installing that on my truck today, and we will see how it turns out. But this one that I found on Amazon, then it said how the remote start works is you plug it in to your truck, and then you hit the lock button 3 times on the key fob, and then the remote start kicks in, and then it runs for, it should be 15 minutes until the time's up, or until you get in the vehicle and put the key in. So just like a regular remote start would work on just a normal vehicle, except instead of having that remote start button on your key fob, then you just hit the lock button 3 times. So let's get into it, open it up, and we'll try and hook it up and see how it turns out. Alright, we got the bad boy right here. Let's open it up, see what's inside. So we got this little piece here, which should be the remote start piece itself. Got this little guy, he's got a bunch of plug-ins on it. Looks like a little light right there. Got some foam to hold it in place. Got an instruction manual. And looks like all the wiring and some zip ties. Alright, let's read the directions, see what it says, and hook this thing up. Alrighty, so this is for a 2015 to 2019 F-150. This is a 2018, so it should work. It goes right down here where the red dot is, which should be right in this area, right around where the light switch is, like for your headlights. And then it tells you what to do here. It's got step by step, and it shows you what to plug into where. And it says the fitment for what this can fit onto. So if any of you have any of these vehicles, I don't know what this is, 2038, that must be like a typo. I'm guessing they meant 2018 to 2019. Alright, so let's go through the directions and figure this thing out. So I assume you have to take this panel off. So let's get to that, and then we'll hook this thing up. Alright, I'll figure out how to take this thing off. Alright, we might be able to do it with just undoing these couple clips. I don't know. Maybe try and go a little further. Alright, let's just leave it like that. Let's get this wiring harness out of here. We got some zip ties. And we got the wiring harness. But yeah, it has been super cold here recently. We've had it down to like 0 degrees for a couple nights now, and it's kind of sucked, especially with me having to park outside. So I decided to order this thing. Just came in the mail. So I'm gonna hook it up so I don't have to freeze my butt off every morning. So just make life a lot easier this way, as long as it works. Alright, plug cable C into the module. They got it labeled here. Here's C. So we'll plug it in. There we go. Plug the cable A into the 20-pin base. Cable A. So you gotta wrap it around, plug it into that side. It's a little tight, I don't really like that. Alright, so it goes like that. Connect cable D and cable E to the terminal of your vehicle auto diagnostic system. What does that mean? Okay, so here's D and E on the other end. Vehicle diagnostic system. What does that mean? It says plug D and E in, but I don't really see a spot to do both of them. Kind of only see one spot here, because I don't know where E would plug in at. Oh, there it goes. There we go. I'm gonna guess this plugs in right down here. Guessing that's how that works. Maybe that's how it works. Some plugs on the back side? Hell, I don't know. Let's figure this out. I'm guessing that's it. Alright, that must be right. Start the engine with the push to start button. Let's try that. Did not get a button. Okay. I don't know. Let's do that. Unplug A. Plug in B. Okay, so B's plugged in. It's blinking, and then it shut off. Okay, the module will first light red and then green. It did that. Turn off the engine. The program is completed. Keep cable B inserted during this process. Okay. So I think it should work now. And you should hit the button 3 times and the truck should start. So let's try it here. Oh, it worked! It worked! And then it says up on the dash, it'll focus. It says to drive, turn, key to on. Woo! So the key's right here. Key's right here, and as you can tell, there is no remote start button like I stated earlier. I just got the normal key. And there's no button. It says you have to hit the push to start button, but I don't have the push to start button. So I just stuck the key in the ignition and it worked. Try and get the camera around here. Try and get it in without falling over. Got the key in, and now the truck is totally turned on. Vehicle is on. Woo! Going to shut it off. Pull the key out. Alright, let's put this back together. I'm going to stick this little module up in under here and close it. Maybe use some of the zip ties to zip tie all the stuff together. And then we'll try it again, make sure it works. Alright, got this piece snapped back up in here. Honestly, you really don't need to take it off. I thought that you did, but I guess you don't have to. It just plugs into the, whatever you, I can't think of the name, that port down in there. What did this thing call it? Oh, it called it the vehicle auto diagnostic system. And it's like what you would plug like a chip into or a tune. It's that part down there. It plugs into the back side. Yeah, here, let me show you. It's kind of hard to see. Hold on. Hold on. So it would be that jack right there that you'd plug like a chip or a tune into. You plug it in on the back side. That like what was it, D and E or whatever I was confused about. Then that side, like both of those two, they look like they could plug into each other, because on the back side of it, then it unplugs, like the stock one unplugs, and the new one plugs into the old back piece. And yeah, I think you get what I'm saying. Like this is stock, you pull it off, take the new one in, plug it into this side and this side. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It was super easy. All right, the truck is locked. So you're supposed to hit, let's just try unlock. I know you hit the lock button 3 times and it will unlock it. Or I mean remote start it. But I'm just curious to see if it does anything when you hit the unlock button 3 times. Okay, it does nothing. It just unlocks it, which is good. So hit the lock. So if we hit the lock button 3 times, it should remote start it. So 1, 2, 3. So then, I assume the truck is locked. Come up. Yep, the truck's locked. So then, unlock the truck. Come up in here. And then, truck's on. And then all right, sweet. So it's pretty sweet, because you know it's just like a at-home do-it-yourself remote start for only $100. When if you take it to the dealership, they charge a whole bunch more. So I'd say for $100, I think it was $109 or something. $109. It worked pretty well, and I'd say it's worth the money, because you can start the truck earlier before you get out there. Went on Amazon, bought it myself, did it myself. I didn't even open the box before I made the video. I just opened it up, read the directions, figured it out, showed it to you guys while I was doing it. I had no idea what I was doing, so I just learned what I was doing as I went through it, and you guys went right along the ride with me. So we do have some more new stuff coming for the truck. We got a couple of new features to make it look pretty. I'm thinking I'm going to wait till after wintertime though, wait till spring, because of all the salt and snow and stuff. I don't really want it to get all over what I purchased, and I don't want it to ruin it or screw it up or wreck the truck and then lose what I bought. So yeah, stay tuned for more future videos. Let me know what you guys want to see me do to this truck. Haven't done anything to it yet. Remote start was, I think, the first thing I've done to it. I took the stickers off the bed because I didn't like them. I think that's all I've done to it so far. Yeah, so let me know what you guys want to see with this truck, what I should do to it, what I should put on it, how I should build it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and tell me what else you think I should do to my other truck, if you can even see it. Kinda. Let me know what you guys want me to do to the other truck. We already got basically everything done to it, but if there's anything else you guys want to see or something changed about what's already done to it, let me know and I will make it happen. I want to do this channel like for you guys, and I want to know what you guys want to see, and I'll do it. So drop a comment, let me know what you guys want to see off that truck and off the new truck. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think about this video, about this product, about this purchase I made, and what else you guys want to see done to this truck. Let me know in the comments. But as always, thanks for watching another video of Bloom Outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.